Hi, thanks for stopping by. Today we will have a quick look at the new Carpro's UltraCut. UltraCut does not replace the existing ClearCut. It's a harder cutting, longer working compound for more stubborn defects. It was intentionally designed for rotary polisher to handle the machine's excess power and heat. As a result, Carpro formulated a compound not only heavier, but with extended working time, without drying up prematurely under load. UltraCut can be used on both D8 and Rotaries. We devised the test by sanding one half of the panel with 1000 grit sandpaper and the other with 2000 grit. And we'll be using Shimate's new cordless EB351 with a Lake Country Yellow CCS cutting pad to see how effective the UltraCut is versus the ClearCut and what stands out between them. First is the smell. We can confirm both products are very faint in scent, unlike the legendary Moderna 300 and 400. Whoa! Although both are fabulous compounds, but the smell can be a little dizzying. And no, the UltraCut does not smell like bubblegum. We prefer our compounds to be as to the point as possible without excessive additives. Here's a quick look at our sanded down panel. Left side is 1000 grit, and the right side is 2000. We picked the cordless and just a yellow pad because we don't want an overpowering setup that force corrects the finish. We want the product to do majority of the work without excessive power and cut with another polisher pad combo. Let's see how it works. Working time is amazing with the UltraCut, easily allowing more than 8 section passes, and still easy to buff off. Whereas the ClearCut struggles beyond 4 to 5 passes and can get a little tacky to remove. Eraser can come in handy here. Here's a shot of the dust UltraCut produced at 8 passes, and ClearCut's at 6. Definitely a difference here. Here are the gloss readings from the sanded area. To the 3-pass UltraCut corrected P1000 sections, the gloss reading is 94.3 GU, and the corrected P2000 section at 95.1 GU. Very nice numbers. We didn't even refine it with a polish yet, although the GU numbers are high, but there are still sand marks not visible to the camera. More passes are still required. Here's a ClearCut in action. Overall, a fairly decent compound. Dries faster than the UltraCut and proves to be dustier. Gloss rating for the ClearCut on the P1000 section registered at 92.0 GU and the P2000 section at 94.1 GU, just a tad lower than the UltraCut, likely from the dust it dispensed that got picked up by the pad and its shorter working time. The numbers are within the margin of error, even though on the bottle, ClearCut has a cut of 10 and a gloss of 7, versus UltraCut has a 10 plus cut and a gloss of 5. From what we can tell, the UltraCut is actually glossier than the ClearCut. A one-stack compound? Maybe. Both are very potent compounds, but to correct the P1000 marks, we need to do more passes than 3, or use a heavier microfiber/roll pad. That concludes our quick overview of Carpro's new UltraCut. Great addition to the Carpro's new line of polishes. We feel this should replace the ClearCut entirely, as there's no need for another compound that's less potent in their line. Thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next one.